Dude, this zone is so whack.
I know, it's so
We're
bad.
gonna get fucked from behind. I just have a feeling.
Fuckboy Shack.
Oh, the fuckboy shack here. Shoot him?
No, I'm fucking shooting. Oh, yeah, people on the hill. East,
Where?
east,
Where?
120, 120, 120.
East.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
Oh my god, how far was that? What was it?
Oh my fucking god, Simon.
That's like 600 meters, isn't it?
No, no, you don't understand what that shot was. Try and help me kill him for you. Oh, I can't actually end him. That was too much of a shot. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hope it.
Got
Let's
him,
just
got
hope
him.
I. Nice.
Another guy in the hill. Another
How
guy
far
over
was
here.
that?
No,
Where?
it was like a really fucking guy here.